Okay, this is E10, drop number 2. Here we go, let me zoom in on you here. You can see we're 2 3/4 inches are marked for 2 3/4 inch, a little bit more than 1 tier drop. Okay, and I'll hand that to you, Dom, in a minute. There you go.
Now you gotta get on here, so I'm gonna stand here like I was before. Then I'll get a better idea here.
Okay. Are we ready?
You're ready.
Ready, Dom?
Do it.
Up we go.
Up on your right, down on your left, and up on your right. Okay.
That looks good.
Do it.
Do it?
Yep. Whoa!
Something broke. Didn't it?
I don't know.
Something gave out.
Well, up here, there's a weight that bounced, but that thing could have broke there. It's cattywampus, and
Yeah, this whole tier broke up here.
okay.
That's great.
Now I'm finding out what's going on.
Oh, it bounced off. I don't think it broke. I think it bounced.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right, show this around here where it is. We'll do an E3 with it. We'll do an E10 3, just so that doesn't happen again if this thing isn't broken.
Well, make sure they're knocked in again.
You can see this is right here. Can you close up on that? This is where the 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7th, and the 8th from the top. They just bounced off of there. And let's see, did it crack? It must have cracked. Did it crack back here? No. No, not there. Let's see about back here. Didn't crack out of there. Nope. No, I think it just kind of bounced out of there.
I think it did too. Jumped off the track.
So,
bounced and jumped off the track.
go ahead and stop it.
You're on.
Okay. This thing broke off right here. We can see the piece that broke off in the top tower again. We're going to try to reconstruct our tower from here on down. And go ahead and show down here. Our test tier did not break at all, of course. Go ahead and show down here. Our test tier is the one right below the board. Show that one's intact as best as you can and examine it. So, when you're done, you think you're done? Did you show it at that level with your camera instead of just down? There you go. Okay, here we are. We've changed records. We got Eric Clapton on here. Let me zoom in there. We've reconstituted our top tower. We're going to do a 3rd drop onto E3, just because that other last drop was so weird. The tower, kind of like that new tower we had, kind of crumpled on itself, which I think I got it there. Okay. Okay. So you ready? No, go ahead. Take your drink of orange juice. We'll watch Dom taking a drink of orange juice here. Now that's only orange juice. There's no vodka in there, we swear.
There'll be no scurvy on this work crew.
Alright, we're going to do our 3rd drop here.
That's why the Australians called the British limeys. They would eat the limes in the folds of the ship so they keep from getting scurvy.
Yeah,
so
man, that's right. No scurvy here.
And then they would smell the limes on them and they start calling them limeys. That's the true story.
What do we got something of interest on the orange juice label here. Are we ready to go, or I'm still recording? All right, here, let me get that orange juice label really good here. Minute Maid. Yeah, it's out of focus. All right, we're gonna miss the Minute Maid label, but there it is.
Scientific experiment strength, of course.
All right, this is still experiment number 10. This is our 3rd drop. It hasn't cracked with 2, but the 2nd drop was very weird, so we're gonna repeat drop. Repeat the drop and do a 3rd. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Up we go.
Do it, Mark.
Good, man.
Do it. Anything crash?
Nope. I didn't hear anything.
I didn't see anything go.
Do you hear anything that sounded like a crash? Not really.
No, I didn't hear it.
Okay. Here, the experiment looks good. You can bring it over here and show that it looks pretty good underneath here. Dom. Then we'll stop it and we'll carry and get E11 going in a minute. Right down there at that level.
This is the
E10. It had 3 drops on it, not 2. It's got a lot of pain relief.
Oh, really?
And it also has strong amnestic effects. E10 looks pretty darn intact to me. We just pulled it off the tower. That's after 3 drops, so we'll put it in our pile of ones to do controls on later. We have a pile of 2 so far now. All right.
I'm gonna pile of 2.
I take you out of. Oops, I didn't record that. Now I'm recording. Let me re-record that.
Go ahead.
All right. We're at 2 3/4 inches. See if you can zoom in on there. So we're exactly a little bit more than 1 tier for the lift.
Right.
This
Got
is the
it.
first drop on E11. You ready? Here we go. We're going to do this drop. You ready for me to pick it up? Yeah, up she comes.
Perfect.
Perfect. Love it. Anything crack? Anybody hear anything?
Didn't
That
sound
crack?
like it. It sounded like break.
Did it sound like it? Yes or no?
It didn't sound like it.
Okay. You can come over and take a look from behind and see if you see any breakage or anything on the experimental tier or anyplace else. Say it again. This is E11, drop number 2. We're ready to go and do drop number 2. This is 2 3/4 inches. Have you got it?
Yep. Oh, I'm shaking like a leaf. All right.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
You're on.
Ready?
Yep.
Up we go.
Up on your right.
How's
Twist it to your right. Twist to the back towards you. Keep going. Keep going. Up on your right just a touch. Drop it.
Good?
Yep.
Didn't hear any breakage, so come on and let's inspect over here and we'll show that you didn't have anything after it broke off. Did some break down there?
Nothing, that's just, I see this one. It's just that hair-like stuff from the glue or the plastic.
Yeah, that's just you can come around back if you want. Right. Yeah, it's just from my plastic glue.
See any breakage at all?
No breakage, and this is experimental tier. Show it intact with the number on it. That's E11 after 2 drops. Okay, that's good. You showed? Okay, this is E11. We've dropped after 2 drops. We've taken it off the tower. We'll do controls on it. You can see it. We've all inspected it and it's intact. So we're going on and move on to E12.
Alabama, and were you located there during the Katrina deal?
Me? I'm not from any of them. Here we go.
No, it was on my application.
Oh, was it? Oh, was that on your application?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see if I can come in a little closer. It looks good, but it's just a little hard to focus it there. Okay. Are you at, where are you? At 2 3/4? There, I see the knot. Yeah, it's at 2 3/4, close to 3. Okay. Alrighty. We got E12. Experiment 12, drop 1. So, okay. You ready?
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna lift. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Up we go.
Good.
Drop it.
Drop it?
Yep.
Drop it.
Didn't hear anything break.
Didn't hear anything break. Okay. So we can stop and I can see it's, I'm inspecting it. E12 looks okay down here. You can come around.
E12.
Okay, that's good. So we'll take it off. We'll do